Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best window vent kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone looking to maximize the efficiency and comfort of their portable air conditioning unit, especially during those sweltering summer months when staying cool is paramount. This seemingly simple addition can make a significant difference in how well your AC performs, ensuring that the cool air stays inside your room and the hot air is effectively expelled, ultimately leading to a more comfortable living or working environment without the constant struggle against rising temperatures. Number 5. IKSTAR Portable AC Window Seal Kit 400 cm. Tired of struggling with portable AC window kits? Our universal seal fits casement, crank, push-out, and skylight windows up to 400 cm. It's designed to work seamlessly with most single or dual-hose portable air conditioners. Forget rigid panels. Our innovative zipper design lets you position the exhaust hose exactly where you need it. This flexibility ensures a perfect alignment and a secure seal, no matter the hose size. Keep you cool and save energy. This seal prevents warm air from entering your room, allowing your portable air conditioner to work more effectively. Enjoy faster, more efficient cooling all summer long. Built to last, our window seal is made from high-quality, waterproof TU fabric with UV protection. It effectively blocks rain, dust, and outdoor particles while ensuring proper ventilation, providing reliable performance. Get set up in minutes without any tools or drilling. Just attach the adhesive Velcro, secure the seal, and zip it around your hose. It's easily removable, perfect for renters and seasonal use. What we like. This kit offers unparalleled flexibility with its universal fit for various window types and a unique zipper design that accommodates any hose position. If you're looking for a hassle-free, no-drill installation that adapts to your specific window and hose setup, this is the perfect choice for renters or those who value ease of use. What people say. It doesn't look the most attractive from the outside, but it's better than dying of heat. Works very well, easy setup and great use out of it thus far. Keeps any bugs and birds out of my windows. The graphic on the ad implies there is a fixed form to insert two hoses. Actually, it's just a series of zippers that lets you place the hoses in a convenient way. It does keep out moisture, as long as you make sure that the seal is tight on the tape side and the Velcro side. Number 4. YoleShy Portable Air Conditioner Window Kit. Ensure a perfect fit for your 5-inch exhaust hose. This kit includes everything you need for a secure and efficient setup, including multiple plates and a coupler. Our innovative rail design makes adjusting and locking the seal plates incredibly simple. You can achieve a perfect fit in just 5 seconds, no tools required. Whether you have vertical or horizontal sliding windows, this kit adapts to your needs. Use different plate combinations to perfectly match your window size. Achieve a superior seal by embedding the plates into your window track. This prevents cool air from escaping and hot air from entering, keeping your room cool and saving energy. Made from high-quality, anti-aging PVC, this kit is built to last. It's easy to install and disassemble, making it convenient to store and use year after year. What we like. Featuring a convenient sliding track design for quick adjustments, this kit is ideal for both vertical and horizontal sliding windows. If you need a straightforward, tool-free solution that locks securely and provides good sealing for your sliding windows, this option is a great fit. What people say. This portable AC vent kit is much sturdier and is of better quality. It was easy to put together, without instructions, and adapts easily to most window sizes. This AC window kit is adjustable, fits well, is sturdy, is well built, looks good, and is easy to assemble. The kit is much sturdier and well constructed than other kits I have ordered. Since it is designed for a 5-hose, which is harder to find than other dimensions, that's another beneficial feature, too. Number 3. Gulrear Portable AC Window Vent Kit. Tired of incompatible window kits? This universal adapter seamlessly connects with most portable air conditioner hoses, whether they have left-hand or right-hand threads. Say goodbye to the hassle of returns due to incorrect sizes. Unleash the potential of your sliding window with our unique exhaust hose kit. Its wide square hole design leaves more room on the sides, offering a rational, reliable, and innovative solution for your portable AC. This vent kit, combined with its adapter, creates the perfect space for efficient air circulation. It maintains both the aesthetic and practical aspects of your sliding patio door, ideal for hot summer days. Achieve efficient operation with perfect sealing. Weatherproof tape fills gaps, ensuring a tight seal that enhances cooling performance and prevents air leaks. It securely fastens to the frame, allowing for free door operation. Everything you need is included. This kit comes with outer and inner plates, a universal coupler, weather stripping, and a screen net for secure and easy installation. Connect them using the provided butterfly screws. Our included self-adhesive screen net seals gaps while blocking debris intrusion. It preserves airflow and ensures long-term security, making it a durable addition to your portable AC setup. What we like. This kit stands out with its universal dual-size coupler and a unique square vent design, ensuring compatibility with most portable AC brands and leaving more room on the sides. If you have a specific portable AC model or are concerned about compatibility and want a robust, well-sealed solution, this is the one to consider. What people say. With adjustable slide plates and a 5.0-inch hose adapter, it fit my sliding window perfectly, no sweat, literally. The snug seal keeps the cold air in and the bugs out, so I can now enjoy Arctic-level coolness without an army of mosquitoes joining the party. The gapless sliding plate design is a significant improvement over the vent kit that came with my portable AC, far more stable, easier to adjust with the wing nuts, and an overall better fit within my window, keeps the hot air out even without using the weather seals. Number 2. Portable AC Window Vent Kit. Introducing a complete window kit for your portable air conditioner. It's designed to be universally compatible with most brands and models. This kit is adjustable, fitting window heights from 17 to 60 inches. It includes everything you need for a flexible installation. You can install it vertically or horizontally on sliding windows. Made from durable, high-temperature resistant PVC, it's easy to set up and reuse. Achieve a 100% airtight seal with its exclusive joint design. This prevents hot air from entering, keeping your room cool and saving energy. Get this versatile kit and enjoy refreshing air throughout your room. Experience the ultimate cooling comfort. It's specifically designed for 5.1 and 5.9 external diameter vent hoses. This ensures a perfect fit for your AC's exhaust. What we like. With an impressive adjustable range of up to 60 inches and a patented design for a 100% airtight seal, this kit ensures maximum cooling efficiency. If you have larger windows or are prioritizing an absolutely secure seal to prevent any air leaks and save on energy costs, this is the ideal selection. What people say. The window vent kit is easy to install and seals well around the window, preventing hot air from entering. It effectively directs the hot air from the portable AC unit outside, keeping the room cool. The adjustable design fits most standard sliding windows, making it a versatile option. Number 1. Portable Air Conditioner Window Vent Kit. This portable air conditioner window kit offers wide compatibility, fitting most AC units with a 5.9-inch exhaust hose. Its adjustable design easily adapts to both vertical and horizontal sliding windows and doors. The package includes everything you need for a perfect seal, multiple adjustable panels, couplers, screws, weather stripping, and an exhaust hose. Please note, the adapter for the AC unit itself is not included. Achieve a superior seal by embedding the panels and using the included weather stripping. This prevents air leakage, keeps hot air out, and helps save energy, ensuring your room stays cool. Constructed from high-quality PVC and ABS, this kit is built to last. It's resistant to extrusion and aging, offering a stable and easy-to-install solution you can rely on year after year. We stand behind our product with unconditional returns and 24-hour online customer service. Buy with confidence, knowing we are here to ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. This option boasts wide compatibility for 5.9-inch exhaust hoses and features strengthened sealing with included weather stripping for optimal performance. If you have a 5.9-inch hose and are looking for a durable, long-lasting solution that prioritizes a robust seal to keep your room cool, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. These parts fit perfectly in my window. This one fit perfectly, the vent is thick and sturdy but still flexible enough. It works great and is super easy to install and use. Fits perfectly and installs easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.